Hello guys, Life Hackster here. Ring is changing their subscription plan starting November 5th. And there's some backlash on this, especially from their old customers. Now, I know there's a lot of disappointment with Ring lately, especially on their product lineup and lack of innovation. But in this video, let's just focus on their subscription and the subscription type of business model. Now, the main changes will be on their customers that both have the Ring cameras and their Ring alarm. If you only have their cameras, there's no change. It is still going to be $10 a month or $100 a year for unlimited Ring cameras recording to their cloud in a single location. The plan name will change though from Protect Plus to the Ring Home Standard. Now their Protect Basic has changed to $5 a month or $50 a year per device, and I'm not sure when this happened, but it used to be $3 a month. Anyways, if you have more than 2 Ring cameras, this plan is not worth it. It's better to get the Ring Home Standard plan. Now let's talk about their alarm monitoring plan and their camera cloud recording subscription. And this is where the most of the complaints are coming from. When they first released their Ring alarm, which is the first generation one, they bundled the professional alarm monitoring to their camera subscription, which is $10 a month or $100 a year. Back then, and I have said this in my old Ring alarm videos, that it was the cheapest alarm monitoring subscription ever, which at that time SimpliSafe is about $15 a month. And SimpliSafe is Ring's close competitor for DIY alarm setups. Remember, $10 a month for alarm monitoring and unlimited Ring cameras cloud recording. I already knew then that pricing is not going to be sustainable. And Ring eventually changed their subscription pricing when they released the Pro version of their home alarm around 2021, I guess September of 2021, when they informed users that this first-gen legacy subscription is moving to this new plan, because at that time they introduced the Protect Pro plan, which is their current offering for alarm users, $20 a month or $200 a year. So most of these complaints are coming from these legacy users that enjoyed the $10 a month plan, which is now going to be the Ring Home Standard plan with alarm monitoring. And to tell you the truth, this is still the cheapest alarm monitoring subscription, especially that it still includes cloud recordings of your Ring cameras. And just to compare, SimpliSafe is now $1 and change a day, and that includes camera recordings, and that is $30 a month. And to the ones that decided to upgrade or bought the Ring Pro alarm when it came out, just like me, because of the extra features like the Eero router built in, the Ring Edge recording, which I really don't use, and the internet backup. And this one I do use, and it does work when our internet is down. Because after November 5th, to use all of these features, you need to subscribe to the Ring Home Premium plan, which is $200 a year. Now, this is the same pricing as their current Protect Pro plan, which you are currently subscribed to, except on the little footnote. It says that the Ring Home Premium does not include the alarm monitoring, and this is going to be an add-on, which is an extra $10 a month or $100 a year. So a total to get all the features of the Ring Pro alarm with unlimited Ring camera recordings and alarm monitoring, it will be $30 a month or $300 a year. The only thing that Ring should have done instead of making this as an add-on is just to have a professional alarm monitoring option by itself. Because there's a lot of people that like their home alarm, but not particularly their cameras, just like me. I wish we can continue with the home alarm by itself for $100 a year with no camera subscription. If you really don't use the extra features of the Ring Pro alarm, like the backup internet, Eero Secure, and Ring Edge local recording, then you can, and actually you will be moved to this plan automatically, the Ring Home Standard with alarm monitoring, which is still $20 a month or $200 a year. You will just not be able to use the Alarm Pro's extra features. The main feature of the premium plan, by the way, which I'm surprised this article doesn't say anything about it, but the email that I got does. This is where you can set some of your cameras to 24/7 recording, which I'll also link the Ring article that talks about this in the description down below. But there's a lot of caveats to 24/7 recording. Like currently, these are the camera models that can do it. Their floodlight cam, spotlight cams, and their doorbells are not able to do this, at this time anyways. It will record 24/7 to the cloud. That means more internet and bandwidth use, and also limited to 10 devices in a location. I'm not sure why Ring can't just use their Edge local recording for this instead of uploading to the cloud. But anyways, I'll talk and test out this whenever this is publicly available. Now, these changes in the subscription personally is fine with me, and I know a lot of you that are used to their $10 a month unlimited Ring camera recording plan plus monitoring are not really happy. but you know that it is not sustainable, especially when you compare this to other brands. And also to the ones with the Ring Pro Alarm, getting the features that used to be included now is a premium. But you know, this is the thing about subscription-based model, and Ring says it here plain and simple. Ring reserves the right to change this offer, our subscription plans, or pricing of our services, or any components at any time. And you definitely agreed and signed up for this. There's also one thing about these app-dependent cameras that records mostly to the cloud, especially the ones that doesn't have some type of local recording. You are buying a product that will not function without a service, and this service is controlled by the brand. If the brand goes down, then all your cameras will be paperweight. But Ring Arlo and Google Nest are unlikely to close down, but they control the service, and they reserve the right to change, stop, remove services and components at any time. Now I'll show you one thing. These are my cameras, and the recordings are stored on this NVR. This doesn't need the Reolink app to work. If Reolink decides to shut down their app, these cameras are still going to function. You can still view the cameras remotely using a web browser. And the only thing that I will lose are the real-time notifications because those are app dependent. I really wish all security camera companies go this route, having a local recording option, and for the cameras and system to be not internet dependent. But I guess a subscription model is just too profitable. I hope this video gives you more clarity or more confusion, and comment down below what your thoughts are, especially the Ring users that will be affected. Are you going to stay or move away from Ring? Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.